One of the fascinating things about the Wales Anthology is that for me personally it's a wonderful opportunity to work with some musicians who I've never had the opportunity to before. So we've got Al and Catrin and myself and a wonderful group as well, and we're going to come together to do a whole wide range of music actually, with Wales of course very much at the heart of it. It's a very fascinating experience because you see these kind of new relationships unfolding from the very beginning, and I hope that will be really exciting for the audience members to see people working together who've never kind of worked together before, playing each other's music and playing new works, old works, and it kind of all tying in with this great kind of umbrella of it being the Wales Anthology. So hopefully it's something which we're going to take on into the future and have many more performances and get recorded and sort of take on, and it hopefully has legs of its own to develop and kind of snowball from there. Despite being born in Wales, there's a whole amount of music that we're playing actually that's completely new to me, so it's very exciting to sort of rediscover some of my heritage and things which previously I'd not really even realised were there. And we're looking at a whole kind of range of music from various periods, right from the past right up to brand new music, which I'll be writing a new suite of music actually specifically for this concert, which is really exciting for me to be able to try and contribute to this fantastic library of folk and traditional music which has come from the country. So for me to be part of that is a great thrill and a real privilege.